How to fix Roblox Error Code 403 Authentication Failed. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure that you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device, and if not a Wi-Fi connection, you can switch to a cellular data as well. So after that, launch the Play Store application and search for Roblox. So as you can see on the screen, there is no option of update over here, which means we have the updated version of Roblox application on our device. So we're going to go back and then make a long press on the Roblox application and tap on app info. As you do that, it will give us a new page where you can see the option of clear data at the bottom right corner of the screen. So tap on it and then tap on clear cache and tap on OK. Next, you can just relaunch the application. If this does not fix the issue, you can just tap on the power button over here and then tap on reboot and restart your device, and this might help you fix the issue. So thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.